हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश हिप्पो चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ डेली रूटीन के जो वोकैबुलरीज होते हैं वो हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे। वेक अप, वेक अप, वेक अप। वॉश योर फेस, वॉश योर फेस। टेक अ शावर, टेक अ शावर, टेक अ शावर। ब्रश योर टीथ, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Get dressed, get dressed, get dressed. Brush your hair, brush your hair, brush your hair. या बोल सकते हो comb your hair, comb your hair. Make your bed, make your bed, make your bed. Put on makeup, put on makeup, put on makeup. Have breakfast, have breakfast, have breakfast. Go to school, go to school. Work, work, work. Study, study, study. Leave school, leave school, leave school. Have lunch, have lunch, have lunch. Take a nap, take a nap, take a nap. Drink water, drink water, drink water. Do homework, do homework, do homework. Have snack, have snack, have snack. Play games, play games, play games. Ride a bike, ride a bike, ride a bike. Go shopping, go shopping, go shopping. Listen to music, listen to music, listen to music. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Mop the floor, mop the floor, mop the floor. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. Take out the trash, take out the trash, take out the trash. Water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. Feed the dog, feed the dog, feed the dog. Go for a walk, go for a walk, go for a walk. Watch TV, watch TV, watch TV. Do the laundry, do the laundry, do the laundry. Hang the clothes, hang the clothes, hang the clothes. Iron the clothes, iron the clothes, iron the clothes. Do the dusting, do the dusting, do the dusting. Make dinner, make dinner, make dinner. Have dinner, have dinner, have dinner. Read the newspaper, read the newspaper, read the newspaper. Surf the internet, surf the internet, surf the internet. Take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में। तब तक प्रैक्टिस करते रहना। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।